Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get gravel in 7 days to die. This is going to be especially useful if you want to make a driveway for your base or anything like that. So to begin, first of all, we'll need to have some crushed sand and small stones. Small stones can be gathered just by picking them up from the ground or by going down below the dirt level and finding rock, as just like this, and picking out your pickaxe and mining it. Also, to get crushed sand, you can get it from also the small stones by using the cement mixer and using the recipe for crushed sand. You'll craft some of it from small stones. Also, you can make gravel inside of the cement mixer for lesser cost. And to get crushed sand without the need of a cement mixer, you want to go ahead to a city or to some houses or near a road. And as you can see, you'll find some gravel right here. So pick out your shovel and then just shovel it. And as you can see, you'll get some sand from it too. So this is pretty much all. How to get it, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.